What's up guys, my name's Jesse and this is the new home of BatsWing Workshop. I know I usually only post pictures of the things that I make, but this time I decided what the heck, I'll make a video. But since this is my first video, I decided, you know what, I'll stick to something simple. So today we're not going to be making something, I'm just going to be fixing something. See, the other day I was playing my drums and, well, yeah, my drum still broke. So let's fix that, shall we? So basically all I really have to do is just fix this pipe. So I'm going to just cut the jaggedy edges off and weld it back together and then maybe drill a new hole. And that should be about it.
Old man awake and confused. The dreams on the tip of my tongue disintegrate with the proud directions of the near-front crowd. Big mouth, gulping down weak cold stale water from stolen stellar glasses. Followed by the disorientated stumble to vertical. That dizzy dance to expel dehydrated orange fire. Clinging to the banisters cause I'm well knackered. Clinging to the banisters. Old knees need a while to function properly with the youthful swagger. One insists upon them. Old knees need a while. Old knees need a while. Saying, followed by the disorientated stumble to vertical. That dizzy dance to expel dehydrated orange fire. Clinging to the banisters cause I'm well knackered.
Alright, it's not pretty, but it'll do.
Awake and confused. Old man awake and confused. Followed by the disorientated stumble to vertical. Stumble to vertical. That dizzy dance to expel dehydrated orange fire. Clinging to the banisters cause I'm well knackered. Clinging to the banisters. Clinging to the banisters cause I'm bloody knackered. Clinging to the banisters. Clinging to the banisters cause I'm knackered. Clinging to the banisters.
Alright, thanks for watching guys. Don't forget to like if you liked the video and leave a comment if you have anything to say at all, ever. And don't forget to check me out on Facebook, Instagram, and Etsy at BatsWing Workshop. See you next time.
Oh man away.